Welcome to Go Jessie Go. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Lego paper shredder. Here's how it works. You take your little paper and then you put it in the top. Push down, and then here's the shredded stuff. Now how to make it. Here's what you'll need. All of these parts are what you'll need. Okay, here's how to build it. So first, you take one of these and put a 2x2 tile on it. Some 1x2 plates right there. Set that to the side. Then take one of these and then put those on it. Flip it over and then put two 1x2 plates on it. Flip it over. Two 1x2 plates right here and here. And 1x2 slope here, 1x2 slope here, sloping outwards, 1x2 slope here, sloping inwards. So like this. Then you take these 1x1 Technic bricks and then put them right here and right there. Then put your 1x2 jumper plates here and here. And then set this aside. And then take this, put it right here. And this, and then put it right here. Take this part back, and then put this on top. Take this part back, and then put this right here. Then take your two grills and push them in, and then drop them inside here. If you need help with it, you can use your little plate. And if that still doesn't work, you can take off this part a bit and then shift it a bit like that. And then maybe move them around to get them to fit right. And then you put this back on. And then you have like that. And then take this and then just shred your paper, put that in, and then press down. And then you have them out. And that was our Lego paper shredder tutorial. Bye.